Mito, number of new players coming in for this game against Ghana in Washington. How important is it to get new faces in, to learn the tactics, to learn and for you to have a look and have the staff have a look at these new players?
They are new players, so we need to test before to the official camp. How are they personally, how are they tactically, physically, and so on, no? Introduce them in our system of play, no? So it is not correct to call him to the official game directly, because if not, we will be close to commit mistakes.
Secondly, you mentioned official camps. That's November. First up is a game in Vancouver. How important is it for the BC and Vancouver fans to come out and come out for a World Cup qualifier to cheer on the men's national team?
I think it's a good idea, and I think it's a very important game for us. It's the first game to fight for qualification to hexagonal, and we must think that participating in a World Cup is something marvelous, something very important for all the countries, for players and family and friends. And I am sure that Vancouver is going to understand perfectly that we need the support in the stadium, and I think will be a very good day for us.